Gavin is learning to reach and grab things. He still mostly uses his left hand. But this morning he's grabbing a nose play gem and discovering if you pull on it, it lights up and plays music. Aren't you, Gavin? Oh, now he's trying for the monkey. He's got the monkey. Look at the concentration. Do you want some help? Close your fingers. Good job. Here, let's get your hand back up there. Open your fingers, like just like that. No. Yeah! Good job, Gavin. Yay! Almost. It's got the monkey. Okay, I could keep recording all morning long, but I think I'm going to end this soon. Just a few more seconds. Get your hand back up there. Oh, now it's snack time. Now it's a snack. Gavin having fingers for breakfast. Say bye. Yeah.